This is good news. Even this is prediction from a top immigration analyst. This is very good news. And if it happens, a lot of people, lot of residents within Portugal will be very happy. Immigration analyst, the top world immigration analyst, analyze the situation in what's going on inside Constitution Court. The good news is that Constitution Court is clearly discussing that current resident card holders mean that the people who possess the resident card holders, they should be given chance of the 5 years. Remember, this is only debate, but remember the decision will be according to debate. That world immigration analyst confirmed that discussions within Constitution Court is going on, that people who possess resident card holders, they must use 5 years nationality law. So technically the approval will be later on, but discussions going on. Chance is there. The biggest chance, I will say, if there are discussions going on. And next discussion is that the upcoming migrant, mean that new migrants who are moving to Portugal, their status may change to the 10 years nationality program. So if it happens, still it's good news. At least the people who possess the resident card. But still I will say the people whose cases are in process, even they did not get resident card, because just opened my YouTube channel and opened my last clips. In one clip I told one point, 3 times I think I told. I analyzed the immigration laws implementation of the world, not the Portugal. I told one thing, that in immigration law, when the law changes, existing migrants gets the benefit of chronic law. Difficult language I will make easy. If the law changes, immigration law changes in any part of the world, the old laws are valid for immigrants who are existing, mean they are technically in process case, their cases are in process, and they will get the benefit of old law. And the people who will start just from new, they will get the new law implementation. In that context, I think Constitution Court is speaking. I told in my clips earlier, and I gave my opinion through social media, that the residents who currently possess resident card holders, technically when they entered Portugal, in that time the 5 years nationality law was valid. And according to immigration trends of the world, they should be given chance of old laws. So this is, I think, breaking news. The law did not announce. Constitution Court still discussing. What happens, we don't know. But at least Constitution Court, some lawyers are talking about existing immigrants. And they are talking that they were entered Portugal. You tell me one thing, if you will aware of 10 years nationality program and you are outside Portugal, you got Portugal job seeker visa, you may not go. You will say, why I waited 14 years? That's the point. The person who is outside Portugal, if he comes, he is actually being told that there is 10 year plus 4 year nationality program. You want to use or not? You have chance. You have to decide. So there is no problem with them. Problem is with them when the people who are existing immigrants and they possess resident card holder, when they depart their home country, when they depart their family, when they depart their all parents, all properties, works, everything that we will serve in Portugal. In that time, they were having in the mind that 5 years nationality law. It looked very ridiculous to me that investor visa, golden visa, also people scared. They possess resident card and their nationality. I don't think in any country investors are not entertained, including top country of the world, through which all countries imitate, including Portugal. They follow US immigration rules. Their laws for the golden visas are different. People having golden visas, people having resident card of golden visas, they are much scared and they invested their all amount of the life. Sometimes you became worried that you are in Portugal and you are not getting nationality, you will not get resident card. Look at those people, you did not lose money. They millions of the dollars they invested and to shift their businesses. If they will get nationality in 14 years according to new law, they will never stay and they need to switch those properties from Portugal to other countries, and they are deciding. I think it's very significant discussions are going on, very sensible minds are speaking. That's great. Really, applause. Gracious. Very true. Because when the person invested money, trillions of the dollars, he was being told that you will get nationality. Yes? Consultants, you are listening. You told people in Asia, sell your everything, convert into dollars, shift to Portugal, and you will get nationality on golden visa. Where is the nationality if this law is also telling to golden visa holders, proposals, sorry, once again I am wrong, these are the proposals, that you will stay for 10 years, mean that Parliament approved that point. That is the discussion in Constitution Court also. I was telling loyal people, loyal lawyers, the loyal individuals of the country, always present. Each country is existing due to the loyal people. Politicians may say that we want votes only. They are not concerned with even financial status of the country. Do you know in democracy what people say? It's completely accepted. So it's not complete democracy also fails the countries. For example, now Parliament approved this law. Now if this is democracy, now it should be implemented, absolutely. But no, this is not complete democracy. Still, the laws are that send it to president will think it is in benefit of Portugal. Democracy is secondary. President said, no, I am not understanding. Go to lawyers, please lawyers think this is good for Portugal. Think tanks are present. I still not happy that even Constitution Court is talking about 10 years for new upcoming, which is also very, very long time, and Constitution Court discussed this one also, that this is not 10 years, this is 14 years. I think they should discuss also the time starting from resident card and file lock. This is very important because in getting resident card, people are consuming 3 to 4 years, and they discussed already this one. 10 years, if 10 years, it should be 10 years, not 14 years. So things are under discussion. Human being always hopeful in all assessment systems. You failed a pass, you must be optimistic. I will keep updating immigration analysis of the world through my World Immigration News by Irfan. Thank you very much for